Hey, Jennifer Cassinson from Buildxact here, and I'm with Sandra Pacheco, and we're at JLC Live, and there's a lot of action here today. Sandra is presenting a few times, and tell us a little bit about who you are and what your business is.
Absolutely. Yeah, my name is Sandra Pacheco, and I'm the founder and CEO of HDS Biz Solutions. We are a business consulting company for construction businesses. So we basically help the contractors to register the business, be on compliance, obtain the licenses that they need in order to work, and we provide training in blueprint reading, OSHA, estimating, all the administrative part of the construction.
Yeah, I mean, that's partially, like, I would say probably something that all of the contractors hate.
I know, and nobody teaches about the administrative part.
Yeah.
I mean, you are so good doing the work, the field thing, but the administrative part is always like kind of forgotten.
Right, and well, they want to get on the job site, right?
Yeah,
they don't want to
absolutely.
do the administrative part.
Yeah.
So what is the risk if they don't?
They cannot grow their companies if they concentrate in the field and do the things and forgot the administrative part. They can scale.
But like, so also if they don't know like the OSHA standards or
my
like,
God,
I mean,
that is huge.
Yeah,
that is huge. But because OSHA is, some people think that OSHA is just the company that give us like fines and everything, but OSHA is about safety for our people. You know, so yeah, it's important.
So what would you say is probably the most important thing for them, for someone who's starting a small business? I mean, I think that, you know, what we mostly deal with are these small to medium-sized businesses, right?
Yes.
And one risk can put them out of business.
Absolutely.
So what is the one thing, or is there, what would be top of mind to direct this audience into?
I think that the most important thing is understand how to navigate the law in construction, meaning register correctly your business, meaning obtain the license, meaning do all the safety for your contractors and all the insurance part, like workers' compensation and liability insurance. So that is the compliance thing is the key point for a construction company.
So how often would you advise them to check in on these things? Is it yearly? Is it quarterly?
Yeah, sometimes business registration it's yearly in most of the states. Licensing is biannually in most of the states. So yeah, you need to check that you are be on compliance all the time. Yeah.
And it's mostly the business owner who's doing that, right? I mean, they don't have like somebody to do that for them.
That is true. That is correct. And sometimes they forgot when the license expires, when they need to renew their business and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. So one of the things you're presenting on here is AI, and I know that at Buildxact we have AI that's embedded into our product, and to do estimates and to do estimate review and to do takeoffs. How are you advising people to take advantage of AI?
I mean, AI, it's, as I told always, AI doesn't make us smarter, but help us to do the things to streamline our processes. So for a small contractor that doesn't know like how to do the things, how to do the takeoff, the estimating, AI is super important. And that you're saying that you are using that, I love it.
Yeah, amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time here. Enjoy the rest of JLC, and can't wait to see you present tomorrow.